How to buy TARS AI token. Now this token came under the symbol of TAI. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, this token is available on CoinMEXC. To be able to buy this token, this is simple. Click here to copy the token address, and remember, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your Bitcoin for that. Open your wallet. Now select this Solana network from here. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address here, as you can see. So this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and try to find your token that you just added called TAI. So after you find it, what you need to do, just click on it. Click here on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now click here and type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see here. So here you can click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy TAI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.